What is 3 squared times 4 squared? In this video, we're going to talk about how to multiply numbers with different bases but with the same exponent. So here's the formula that you want to keep in mind. X to the a times y to the a is x times y raised to the a. In other words, when you have the same exponent, you could simply multiply the bases together. So 3 squared times 4 squared is simply 12 squared. The exponent didn't change, so we kept the 2. What changed was the multiplication of the bases. 3 times 4 is 12. If you find it confusing, think about it this way. What is 3 times 4? 3 times 4 is 12. Now what are the exponents of these numbers? 3 is 3 to the first power, 4 is 4 to the first power, and 12 is 12 to the first power. Notice that we kept the exponents the same. So for instance, 5 times 4 is 20. That's because we kept the exponent the same. It stayed a 1. But when the exponents are a number other than 1, it will still remain the same. So just as 5 times 4 is 20, 5 cubed times 4 cubed will be 20 cubed. If you keep the exponents the same, you can multiply the bases. That's the lesson of this video. So let's try 2 more examples. Two to the 5th power times 3 to the 5th power, and also 6 to the 4th power times 5 to the 4th. So since the exponents are the same, we could just multiply 2 times 3, and this will be 6. So the answer will be 6 to the 5th power. For the next one, 6 times 5 is 30. So this is going to be 30 raised to the 4th power.